magic. No, just hiding for a long time. Guys and girls, it's Friday afternoon. I'm ready to go home, but of course Mrs. T isn't. So I thought while I'm waiting, I would make a video of our science trick from today's lesson, and maybe you could try it over the weekend. Any mums and dads feeling adventurous, they can try this trick as well. It's the famous tablecloth trick. Now, all this trick is really manipulating friction and forces, and once you get your head around that, you'll be absolutely fine, okay? Now, before we do the trick, you must make sure you have mum and dad's permission. If they say no, you can't do it. If they say yes, nice. Second thing, everything I'm using here is plastic. Make sure you use plastic things as well. Now, I'm using a knife and fork because I'm an expert. Don't use a knife and fork, guys. Too pointy. Owie! Owie! Okay? That's the safety stuff out of the way. Oh, don't use water until you're an expert, okay? You can weigh some things down, and you'll need to experiment with the weight, okay? I've got some Play-Doh in some things. I've got knife and fork here to add some weight. I've got water in here for weight, okay? It's all about the forces, the balance. Now, when you set your table, at the back, don't hang your tablecloth over the back. Get it just to the edge. Don't hang it over, okay? Very important. If you hang it over, when you pull it, it will flip up like a wave, and it's that wave that will knock everything over. It's a mistake everybody makes. Now, the only other thing to remember is smooth tablecloth, smooth table. You don't want lots of friction here, okay? And the faster you pull, the less friction you get underneath all of the items. And that's what you want, a little bit of friction underneath there. Okay, so a really big pull, one movement, no wave, nice flat tablecloth. Here I go, and then you can get started with your weekends. Here we go. If there's a cut in my video now, and then there's a trick, you know I messed it up the first time. But I won't, I have faith. 3, 2, 1, have a great weekend, magicians!